Are you guys familiar with Sonic the Hedgehog and the characters in the series? Let's find out how they would look like in real life, shall we? Start with the first character, SBO, and what looks like a very interesting purple lizard. How about this purple chameleon? The next character is Tails and a gorgeous fox in the snow. A rare black hedgehog playing Shadow is pretty dope. Here we go, Sonic the Hedgehog in blue and very stylish shoes. And silver definitely has to be a pure white hedgehog. Wow, this is hands down Knuckles. Who else can this red hedgehog be? Where can people find this super rare creature to play Rouge the Bat? This little bunny looks so adorable. That's Scream the Rabbit. And here is Dr. Eggman in real life. Oh man, this girl playing Maria is so beautiful and sweet. This character is Tickle, looking so fierce. Big the cat is gentle and kind, just like the chubby little purple feline right here. Aww. So Honey the cat is a ginger? So lovely. Thank you all for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to Coco Art channel so you can see more videos like this. Bye bye!